We're so near to each other.
Can I be invited aboard?
No, shut up!
Shut up.
Give me a kettle.
You know, the person they would invite last would be you.
Guys,
We got a kettle.
guys, one voice. I'll have the stove and the gas here, and we'll boil all the water here, and we'll pass it across when it's boiling, and you can put it in your noodles. Is that okay?
Yeah, we're great. Okay.
Great night. Can I go over there?
So?
You know the thing?
Yeah, it's so cool. We do like that and then have water. And there's nothing. We just go like that and then
Give us the break. And then Vanessa was like, oh my god.
get that Brandon. Do this. You can't use it. Got a kettle. Brandon. Got a kettle.
Ooh.
It's easier than the straight.
What you do? You break the boat.
Would you please leave this open?
No. Hey.
Shut up.
You shut up.
Cup noodles, everyone.
I'm sorry.